pelikula, yun lang.
Any update naman po sa meeting niyo with Sarah Geronimo last year?
Well, my meeting with Sarah G is very funny. Sarah wanted to have a very unique. Sabi niya, basta bigyan niyo ako ng kakaiba. So, ewan ko ba sa mga boss ko nung narinig nila yung kakaiba ako pinamiting kay Sarah. Pagkaupo ko, hinawakan ko yung kamay ni SG. Sabi ko, SG, gusto mo bang gawin to? Sabi niya, direct papakinggan ko lang. Sabi ko, oo, kasi parang hindi mo pa kayang mag-Daryl Yap, sabi ko. She's a very talented actress, but you know, my field is, paano ba? I think she's not ready when it comes to the legalities that involves her contracts. You know, she has Jollibee, she has shampoo commercials and all. Eh alam mo naman, pag sa akin nagtrabaho, medyo magaspang ang words, kakaiba yung ano, so very raw, so I don't think it will happen. Nung narinig niya yung tatlong pinitch ko, siguro mga 3 minutes siyang nakanganga. Ganito lang siya. Sabi ko, oh, ano SG? Sabi niya, grabe direct na trauma. Sabi niya.
Kasama niya si Matt po.
Kasama niya si Matt.
Pero may gagawin silang pelikula this year.
Yes, that's what. Yes.
Hindi po kayo yung
No, it's not me. It's not me. I only direct films that I write.
Okay.
So palagi ko, hindi ko alam ko kung sinong director pero sila na magsasabi. Pero good friend din. So I'm just so happy with the opportunity na papakinggan ako ni Sarah Geronimo. Pero darating din tayo
Cool.
dyan. Sabi ko, darating din tayo dyan. I'm a pop star. Alam naman niya yun.